So yesterday I made some analysis, and of course we will be checking out those analysis and the outcome of those trading um of those assets, okay, so that we will know what we are able to achieve at the end of the day. Okay, so and before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so at the early hour of this morning, I got so many messages from most of my subscribers thanking me with their screenshots on the performance of yesterday's analysis, and I'm really happy that we were able to achieve this together. Okay, so if you have not been following my videos, if you're not on the Telegram channel, also you are missing a lot. Okay, so subscribe to this channel first, this YouTube channel, then check the description box below this video and subscribe to the Telegram channel too. Okay, so these two places are the places where you will be getting my updates. Okay, and any of these. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So this happened to be the first asset we analyzed yesterday. It is the Gain-X 1200, and of course, if you remember very well, I said sometimes last week we actually moved this asset from this resistance zone down to the support region around there, and ever since we've been waiting for it to go fully on uptrend. But if you should notice, it has been playing around there for a while. So yesterday I drew out all this trend line to analyze it better, and I realized that it has been moving within this channel, the upper channel and the lower channel, and this particular one and to the lower one. Okay, so when it got to the upper part, I gave us a kind of signal within the Telegram channel, and it's achieved all these signals. When I noticed that it has achieved all these signals, all these happen on 15 minutes time frame. So um, the signals actually give us a lot of profits. Okay, and later on in the night, when I was doing my $500 daily tips, I also analyzed better that this is most likely because it's broke out from the support region, so I know it's going to sell more. So I said it's most likely for it to hit this particular one. You can see the yellow trend line, and of course it got there at this point. Okay, giving us a lot of profit again, still on 15 minutes time frame. And I said if it breaks out from there, then we are most likely to achieve this. It is yet to achieve this. However, you can see it trying to go back there. Once it breaks out from there this time around, then we are most likely to achieve that right from there. Okay, we are most likely to have this kind of movement till it gets to this particular support region. That is if it breaks out from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so here is another asset, Gain-X 1000. I mean Gain-X 999. The last one was Gain-X 1200. Okay, Gain-X 999. I drew out this trend line yesterday night that the asset has actually been playing around here. So I draw this trend line, and of course I said once it switch over from a downtrend, which happens to be the red color, into a yellow color, that is an uptrend, and it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to buy more till it gets to this particular spot. And as you can see, it's achieved it easily, guys. Congratulations to you guys also. Okay, it's achieved it easily, and of course that's so beautiful. And it's had a pullback and went back up, and of course I'm expecting it to get back to this particular it breaks out from here. Okay, so that's another winning for us. Okay, so this is Phoenix 1200, also another winning for us, because after getting to this support zone, try to go on uptrend, add another pullback. I was expecting that once it breaks out above this, then it should achieve the upper part of the trend, which happen to be this resistance region. Okay, so just the way we are seeing it happened to be this resistance region. Okay, so as you can see, it's almost getting there right now. Okay, so because it had a pullback and went back up to break out from this particular region which I highlighted earlier yesterday. Okay, and of course it went up, and of course this is huge profit at the moment. If you are still in the trade, you are in huge profit at the moment. Okay, so that's Paynex 1200. Okay, so this is Paynex 999, and of course this is another winning opportunity for us still on 15-minute time frame. I'm really happy that we are able to achieve this together. Okay, so this actually broke out from where I highlighted, and of course I said it's going to get to this region. It's almost getting there, even though it had a major pullback at this point. Okay, if it comes back down, we are most likely to see it around this highlighted region which I highlighted earlier. Okay, so this is a good one and another winning for us. Okay, so congratulations to you all who have participated in these trading activities. It's very easy. All you need to do is to master the trend trading strategy, and you will be able to get it right. Okay, and you need to know how to identify the trend when it is changing, and when you should go into the trade. Okay, if you're unable to identify this, then you need trading tools that can help you identify some of these regions. Okay, and one of them is the one you're seeing on the screen right now. It is called a tree and trend milker. Okay, and of course you can lay your hands on it and get the best out of it. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Congratulations to you guys, and of course I'm really happy we are able to achieve all this together. Okay, so more should be coming up today. I'll stay alert, make sure you are within the Telegram channel, and of course also watch out for my YouTube videos. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, you can always drop your question for me within the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, and of course guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.